we saw how to create branches, how to delete branches, then how to check out branches, that is move from one branch to another, and all that stuff. We even merged a branch called hotfix into master, but that was pretty straightforward because master was directly, sorry, hotfix was directly ahead of master by one commit, so it was pretty straightforward. But here both master and ISS 5.3 are diverging from a single lowest common ancestor called C2, that is the C2 commit. So right now I am on ISS 5.3. I try to modify a file, let's say readme. I just add something, I just do a quit, I do a git status, I do a git add for readme, and I do a git commit -m changed readme. Okay, so if I do a git status, it looks clean now. Now if I want to, so here the concept is there are common, their common uh, ancestor, lowest common ancestor is C2, and we want the changes of ISS, we want to take the changes of ISS 5.3 and merge them into master. So basically all the changes from here will go into master, from here will go into master, so that master, so that a new commit will be created which will be having the changes of C4 and C5, and master will be pointing to it. So both the changes from C4 and C5 will be here. So this is a kind of merge which is in the Git. So this is basically called a three-way merge. And now we quickly see how we can do this by using some commands. We're on ISS 5.3, so we just want to move to master. So whichever branch we want to merge into, we just move to it. So I will just do a git checkout master. So it changed the branch to master. I'll quickly show you. It is now in master. Now I do a git merge ISS 5.3 so that it is auto merging to do, but it is showing conflict content, merge conflict in to do. Auto merge failed, fix conflicts and then commit the result. So it's showing that Git was trying to auto merge to do, but I have made some changes in to do in the same line of to do in ISS 5.3 and master branch. So in two different branches I have made changes in the same lines in to do. So Git is not that much intelligent and not able to merge it. So we have to take a decision ourselves and how those changes are to be merged. So this is how it works. So this is example of a conflict, basic merge conflict. So it is, if we do a git status now, it will also show so changes to be committed this, and unmerged paths is to do. To do is still unmerged. So basically we need to open to do and look into it. So anything that has merge conflicts and hasn't been resolved is listed as unmerged. So this is to do is having merge conflicts, and those have not been resolved. Merge conflicts have not been resolved. So it's showing in unmerged. So uh, Git adds the standard conflict resolution markers to the files so that we can open them manually. So basically these are the markers. So head, so these less than like 6 or 7 times I guess, then the head sign, and then equal to 6 or 7 times probably. And so this is the content of my branch, which is pointed to by head, which is my master branch in this case. And after the equal to and before this greater than and the branch name ISS53, these are the changes which are in my ISS53 branch. So these are the changes in the same file in ISS53, and these are the changes in the my master branch. So we have to see both of them clearly, that this is this and this is this, and we want to take a decision to merge them, how we want to merge them. Okay, so and these extra things we have to delete. These actually, these are just to indicate, these are just indicators. These we want to remove before we want to commit anything, because these can be these are actually additional things put by Git only, and these won't compile, and these are not comments actually, so we have to remove them. We have to make sure that we remove each of them. So they are showing that there is a graphical tool also to resolve this issue. So we can configure a merge.tool in the git config. So git merge tool will be uh, one of these, opendev and all these, which will basically show the difference between two files, and we can configure any of these tools to be used when we want to merge a file. But we will as of now we will not use any of these tools, and we will just quickly merge. So and after that we will do a git status to verify that all conflicts have been resolved. So let's quickly try to do this. So for that we need to open this to do file. So in this head nothing is there, and in this ISS53 looks like one empty line is there. So I think we should delete everything out of this. Okay, I will just remove all these extra lines from here. I will just save this file. Now if I do a git status again, then it's still showing it as unmerged, but we have already resolved the conflicts. So we will do a we'll try to add this file, git add to do, and we will do a git status again. Sorry, you're not able to see. I'll just do a git status again. So it's on the master branch, it's showing this changes to be committed as modified file, and if I do a git commit now, then commit, and if I now I see a git status, my branch will be clean, and actually the changes have been merged into the master branch. So we do a git status now. So we are right now on the master branch. You can see that also. And we right now we uh, don't even need the ISS 5.3, so we can feel free to remove that branch also. So this is how it works.